So we're going to look much smaller compared to these guys, but they're in a slightly bigger market than we are. So, Twisto. We are a daily payments app that's allowing customers to pay their way. Some buzzwords, but I'm going to actually tell you what it means. So first, what is our ambition? So our ambition is to get 2.5 million customers using our app and card for their daily payments in the region of Central Europe and Southern Europe by 2024. If you look at our customers today, approximately 600,000 customers have used the service, and approximately 120,000 customers have our app and card. And we grow 2 to 3x year on year for the past 3 years. What makes us a little bit special is that we are actually making money and monetizing customers. So we provide a great service, and we actually ask the customer for a fee, and we actually monetize our customers today. So what are we actually? So when we started in 2013, and actually, Stefan, you've been seeing me for so many years, maybe for too long, but no, hi. We actually started with a very similar proposition to that of Klarna. We took it a little bit further, and we actually started scoring customers just based on the information provided to the merchant. So it is a one-click point-of-sale financing, servicing over 1,000 merchants, and it is the quickest payment on credit, I would say, in Europe. Incredible engine behind it. I'll tell you about the tech in a minute. And then we actually started transitioning or evolving into really touching the customer and getting into his wallet. So online payments are only about 10% of overall retail, and we ultimately wanted to touch 100% of customers' payments and really attack the daily payments and daily credit. So what is Twisto today? It's basically a mobile app with a card, which has some features of Revolut and Klarna, meaning we have a great FX rate, we have travel insurance provided by Unica, sitting in the audience. What makes us different is that customers don't need to top up money. We finance all those purchases, and customers pay us back at the end of the month. They can pay us now, they can pay us later, or they can go into installments within a couple of clicks within the app. And what really makes us unique is that we are attacking daily payments. We want to be the transactional guys that do all the transactions, but also give you the ability to go easily into credit. So very unique proposition combining those two features together. And just a couple of things that we offer to customers today. You probably are used to seeing PFM, so we help customers really manage their cash flows and know where they're spending, which is very useful. Second, it's all about credit and really having the ability, if you purchase really expensive sneakers, to go into the app and say, look, actually, I want to pay over 12 months. I want to pay a bit later. And we allow that within a couple of clicks within the app. One very cool feature, which has saved my life a couple of times, we call it Snap. It's not Snapchat. And basically, if you get any invoice, utility bill, phone bill, or a bill for cleaning, and you probably hate paying it, so typing in the internet banking logins, typing in the payment details, with us, you just take a picture of the invoice, we pay on your behalf, and then you pay us back at the end of the month. Super cool. Good. So why are we actually doing this? We are not here to replace or kill banks, but we're ultimately here to provide a different layer of service on the daily payment side and on the credit side. Our customers are typically 28 years old, from bigger cities. All of them have a bank account. None of them hate their bank. They actually like their bank, but we are saying we can provide a slightly better service and really be on the daily payment side, provide the best experience, not only on the payments, but also on the credit side. Today, we are already serving or touching 50% of customers' wallet, and I'll show some cohorts in a minute. And ultimately, we want to cover 100% of customer spending per month. So it's a unique app where you have all your payments, easily manage the cash flows, and decide if you want to pay now, later, or in installments. But what's key, that actually customers love using it. So on average, our customers make 12 transactions per month. And as you can see, as we launch new products, they continue using it. So we want to get to approximately 15 to 18 transactions by end of this year. And the second one is, when we acquire a customer, the cohorts are actually incredibly sticky. So customers stay with us, and they continue using the products almost on a daily basis. So now about making money. So we are VC funded, but ultimately we also want to have a model which is monetizable. And we actually ask the customer to pay a monthly fee, and that's the 30% that you see here. So it's a transactional business. And 70% of our revenues are coming from credit, because credit is ultimately the only way in finance how we can actually make some decent money and where you have some kind of a revenue. We make, on an active customer, we make 120 euros per year, so almost 10 euros per customer per month. So pretty cool that we're able to monetize, very fair and very transparent, and customers love using it. What's really behind all of this? I know how much I'm running out. Little bit. What's really cool is how we score clients, and we call our engine Nikita. Super cool, AI, big data. I know a lot of buzzwords. And last slide, we are focusing on Central Europe. So we are not another UK challenger bank, not out of Germany. We're looking at Central and Eastern Europe. Great markets, great potential. That's where we are. An amazing team behind it. It's not just me.
Thank you, Michael.
Excellent.
Thank you, and sorry for the time.
Any